Hello, blooming dear children, students, learners, and friends. You are most welcome to this channel. This is Suresh Bardwaj with the sound of vowels. Next letter O, vowel O. Okay, I have written here, taken here. Words have been written, have been given to you to enjoy, to spell out, to pronounce O as O. Example, I would like to read each and every word. Okay, words have been enlisted here, now have been given here. So O, this O, vowel letter O, to be pronounced as O. Sound symbol has been given here. Sound symbol, but sound, how to pronounce? D. Enjoy. Let us enjoy along with me. D-O-G. Dog. Dog. O-L-O-G. Log. F-O-G. Fog. D-O-T. Dog. D-O-T. So here you find dot. Dot. C-O-T. Cot, O, P-O-T, what, O sound, O, R-O-D, rod, G-O-D, God, N-O-D, nod, T-O-P, top, H-O-P, hop, P-O-P, pop, C-O-C-K, cock, R-O-C-K, rock, and D-O-C-K, dock. O sound. So, you know, sound symbol and spell out these words and practice regularly other words from your textbook, from your your textbook supplementary reader. You may collect, you may write so many words, very similar words sounding O. Okay, 2, 3, 4 letter. Here you see 4 letters. Here 3 letters, 3 letters, 3 letters, 3 letters. Many letters you may find, and O pronouncing as O. So you may practice and collect so many words pronouncing O. Examples as per examples given here. Okay, dear. Wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks a lot.